you're watching this video, chances are you already saw that we picked up this cheap Grand Sport Corvette, and it is no secret that it is in pretty rough shape. But in today's video, we are starting the complete transformation of this car to bring it back from a piece of crap into being the nicest Corvette that we've ever had on the channel. So let's start from the top. What is all wrong with this Corvette? Well, we'll start here. I mean, you know, a little bit of things, actually. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, nice. Moisture in the taillights. Nice. Residue from the Plastidip paint job before. Nice. Matte black painted side markers. Nice. Oh, the clearest of all clear lenses. Whew. And trust me, these are just the cosmetic issues on this car. Mechanically, there are a lot more. But no worry, we've already got really cool solutions for all of this stuff in the works. Guys, before we get into today's video, I've got to let you know 20 times entries is live right now on thisjust6.com, meaning you can grab anything like this hoodie and get 20 times entries automatically to win either this Grand Sport Corvette or this Celine supercharged Mustang. Now is your best shot. 20 times entries to win both cars. Go to thisjust6.com, grab anything like this hoodie. And with that being said, guys, let's hop into today's video. In these boxes, we have, first off, new side skirts, a new front lip, trans fluid, new door hinges, so that way the door isn't going, yeah, bumper clips for the bumper, so that way it's not going, you know, new Moto taillights. Thanks, Moto. And even better, Morimoto's new headlights for the C6.
And a fresh tank quart oil change for this mug.
10 quarts!
So I'm thinking we start from front to back. We pull the bumper off first, get the lip replaced, headlights replaced, fix whatever's going on here. Bumper clips, oil change. Jess, I can't believe you broke this front lip like that.
First step, we gotta remove that front bumper.
I'd say we just take this hood, cut a hole right there for a big turbo to come poke through.
Ooh, bumper is off. All right, we're gonna do away with these, and this is where I'm excited. Inside of this box is what we're about to replace with those ugly headlights. This is Morimoto's new C8 style headlight for the C6 Corvette. Oh, dude, this car is gonna look so insane. This is what we're taking out. This is what we're putting in.
Oh yeah, a poke got that fixed up down here. No more.
Oh my God. You can really see the look that's coming together now, man.
This is gonna be badass.
Oh yeah, that's looking good, Jimmy. That is a great looking unit.
All right, guys, so this car is a dry sump, meaning that the reservoir is remote mounted up inside of the fender well here, and there is no oil pan. So we've got to drain 1 and 2 oil drain plugs here, and then remove the filter. But first, to give it a lot of aeration so it can actually flow, we got to get up top.
Up yonder, you will find your engine reservoir. There you go. That is the dry sump reservoir there. And then we're also, just for the shits and giggles, going to aerate the valve cover as well.
Check the level, let's see. Oh yeah, no, it's for sure black, and it is absolutely way low. Can't wait to figure out where the oil is going, but I think,
And I hope this is engine oil all over the place.
I'm finding more. I'm finding more.
I'm finding
Chasing
more.
these oil lines. These are wet too.
Oh, they are. Oh wow, yeah.
we've got the screen mesh down here in the bottom, so we've got that in there now, so I'll be able to see if the oil has any contamination in it.
Oh, that is so black.
So what I'm thinking, we're all taking shots at what we think here. So my guess is that this thing does need rings, and we're gonna do a compression test on it, and we're gonna find that out. That's why this smells like gas. I'm not trying to assume, but I am. I'm gonna assume. They didn't change this oil because it was expensive. There's a microguard oil filter on here, and black is black oil. Like, oh, it's on there pretty tight.
Would you like to tie this? No. You sure?
Underneath here, there is a ton of sludge, which leads us to believe that there has definitely been a leak going on. Ooh, it almost got me. All right, well, the trans fluid somehow doesn't look bad.
It does look surprisingly clean.
Gotta pump a little bit of fluid back in here. I bet it shifts better after this new fluid at least.
Hopefully it quiets down some.
It's got to.
After this thing is down on the ground, we have just a few more steps. While Poe is working on the side skirts of the car, we're gonna come over to the rear and get started installing these new Moto taillights. Okay. So already over here, we got one taillight out. I just got 3 more. All right, last one going in place. Look at those taillights. Oh my goodness, this thing is gonna look ridiculous. Let's just give a little. Oh, dude. Holy.
That crazy?
It really looks pretty good.
Ooh.
Oh, that's
so
so
bright.
nice, dude. That is so cool. Oh, yeah. Hey, that looks pretty good, man. We got the gas cap getting cleaned up over here. Poe has been killing it with the side skirt install. I've been airing up all the tires. The 2 rears were really low. Would you like to check the PSI of the front one?
The front one? Oh, wow. How?
I don't know, but there is 61 pounds of pressure in that tire right now.
That's scary.
This car has really just had an interesting life. I'm so happy that we have it in our possession now. Oh, and then this one's at 26. All right. So we had 26, 10, 12 and a half, and 61. That was his track setup. Well, at least now the tires are gonna be aired out properly. Good oil.
Good
A front lip. Yeah, trans is full. Lights are good. We'll be able to drive tonight and see things on the road. We're gonna be able to start this thing for the first time with the new fluids. And the new lights in it. Oh my goodness. Dude, those taillights look so sick. Woo. Everything up here sounds pretty good. Does sound like there could be a runner leak on the intake.
A runner leak?
Here, that's what it's halfway sound. Oh yeah, watch your finger. My goodness. Hey, I think you just stopped it. I think whichever one you just turned literally stopped the noise. Did you hear it? Yeah, this thing's gonna clean out to be really nice.
My goodness.
Whoa.
That looks so good.
Dude, look at the lettering. LS3, so you know it's a Grand Sport, baby. There we go. Dude, how did this go from looking like such a piece of trash to this nice that fast? Oh, you've been going crazy. Okay.
Crunched up ramen noodles.
Hey man, you never know. This thing really went through just the coolest transformation so fast, dude. Look how good everything looks. Oh, brother. Hey, brother. I think I know why the throwout bearing ain't engaging. It don't have no fucking fluid, so how is that thing supposed to engage?
Never.
Oh my God. There's really nothing wrong with the car. Like the car itself is nice.
It just everything maintenance-wise.
Yes. Oh.
It is freaking crunch time. Everybody currently is doing something, man. Engine bay is looking amazing.
The front end of the car, immaculate.
Back here, Austin's got the steamer and is cleaning. Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's starting to look so new again.
All clean back here, dude. Thank you so much. That looks awesome.
I'm telling you, just wait until the wheels and the tires are on the car along with the new wrap. This car is gonna be nuts.
Oh my. You need a math so very badly.
Oh boy.
I've never seen
Oh.
the overflow.
From somebody
Overfilling.
overfilling it. Ah, yes. Now things are making a little bit more sense.
Dude, I'm glad we pulled it. That's why the car's running goofy for
Yeah,
sure. The mass
absolutely.
airflow sensor caked in oil.
That is a hell of a find. That right there is gonna make a huge difference in itself.
We got the new map in hand. Yeah.
That unit. Yeah, no, we're gonna seal this thing up and actually make it do what it's supposed to do.
Dang, son. Steam the whole dash.
It just smells gross. That's why I'm using it. I don't know if you can see on top of that. You see all that? Look at that. It's like caked on there.
We got new door hinges going on this thing. Hopefully, that way we get a door that isn't so wobbly. There actually is no door speaker. Yeah. We're gonna replace this old busted up one with this one that is obviously much tighter. Look at that. This has turned out to be a lot bigger project than I expected. I think we successfully did it. Look at that. That is a solid mounted door, everything I'm pretty sure is done. We're gonna pull the Celine out, pull the Corvette out, get a quick wash of it, get it cleaned up, and we get to roll out with this thing and go take some pictures. All right, we're gonna start it up real quick. Look from the top, look from the bottom, make sure everything's all right. Looks good to me.
From leaks, everything was great, including the car.
Wow.
Literally instantly, this thing is transformed from a raggedy looking Grand Sport
To a car that you just can immediately see potential in. If you guys think it looks good and sounds good now, just wait.
This car has some serious stuff coming up very soon for it.
Now, let's get this thing washed up and hit the road. So crazy enough, as soon as we did all of these changes, most of the wild noises on the car went away, including the check engine light and even more stuff. Dude, it actually turned out so good. Like, yeah, really came out awesome.
Put it on the show that everybody want control of. This one up to you cause we all got our own controller. You ain't gotta wait to get the drinks until you're older. Waiting on the rain to dry, but sometimes it just helps to find a place to unwind. Use your own pain to make the sun shine. I've been in the rain for a minute, I've been changed, I don't get it like. How come you just like to hear the pain? Wonder how we all can feel the same.